Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on working with the scheduling system within iForgeAhead on the full screen side. Here in the home page, I'd like to point out this grid over here in the upper right. It will give you a quick snapshot of your next upcoming appointments. These are sorted in date and time order and include the location for each appointment. And this will be available to you each time you log in to iForgeAhead. To get to the scheduler, if you're on the home screen, you can click this link here, or from anywhere else in the system, you can use the menu bars at the top, go to the home menu, and select Schedule. Either of those techniques will take you to the scheduler grid, which will always open into the current week. There are a number of different ways to look at your appointments, and those views are controlled with these buttons right here. The view that you're currently using will be highlighted in orange. So we are now in the work week view, which shows you Monday through Friday, and it has each day displayed as its own column, and it has a timeline going down the left edge. Incidentally, the start and end times for the timeline are something that you can control within your schedule settings. We have a separate tutorial available that will show you all your schedule settings options so that you can control the way the scheduler works for you. In addition to the work week view, there's one called week, and that includes Saturdays and Sundays as well as Monday through Friday. It's laid out a bit differently. It's got two columns. The first column gives you Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and the second column shows you Thursday through Sunday. Another view that you have available to you is the day view. I'll click on that, and that is obviously a single day, one column. It also has the timeline running down the side. Now you'll notice that it jumped us right to Monday of this week, and I'm going to go back to the week view that we were in before and show you why that happened and how you can adjust that if you need to. Whenever you're in the scheduler grid, no matter which view you have selected, one of the cells in here is going to be highlighted. In this case, it's Monday, and you can tell it by the green background. So if you're in a view like this and you want to go to a specific day and it's Friday, just click on the background of that and notice how the highlighting became green behind here. Now if we click our day view menu, that will take us directly to Friday, December 2nd. The same technique works when you're in the work week view. We'll go into there, and you'll notice the highlighting right now is over here. If we wanted to jump to Tuesday, we could just click any of these cells here and go to day. The last view that you have available to you is the monthly view, and it will show you 1 month at a time, with each week has its own row. So you'll scroll down to move through that month. Now I'd like to show you, after covering these views, I'd like to also show you how to navigate to different times within the schedule. Those are controlled by these navigation tools over here. We'll start with the back and forward buttons that are on the left and right edge. These will page you forward and backward in time based on what view you're in. So right now we're in the month view, so if I click forward, we're going to go forward roughly 1 month. So now we're seeing January through February instead of December through January. If we go to a work week view, those controls can still be used, but now they will move you either backward or forward 1 week at a time. So now we're in the first week of January. I'll click the back button, and that will take us to the last week of December. So that's the back and forward buttons, and those can be used in the day view or week view as well as the two we looked at. You always have the Today button here, which is just a single click that will quickly jump you back to the current date. That's a nice technique for if you've moved out forward into your schedule a number of weeks and want to come back to the current week. Just click on Today. And finally, the arrow next to the Today button will give you a pop-up calendar. From here you can select any date. It will show you the current month, and you can change months with these buttons here. The single arrow will move you forward, or this one will move you backward 1 month at a time, and the double arrows will move you forward a year. So if I click that, now we're in December of 2012. I'll come back here and select the 21st of December, and it will jump us into that week. So those are the basic navigation techniques within the schedule and familiarity with the different views of the schedule. We have other tutorials that will show you how to add new appointments, how to edit appointments, and how to add horses to an appointment or repeat an appointment over time. Thank you very much.